Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and today I'll teach you computer. So in last video we had started types of software where we saw what is software and its type, that was application software and system software. So today we are going to discuss about system software. So let's start. System software is defined as a collection of program. In last video we have discussed what is software. Software is a collection of program, okay, that control overall operation. Overall operation can be many things, okay, like input, process, output, understood, and internal working of a computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers that process information to the output device. Okay, so system software is of three main types. First, operating system. Second, language processor, and compiler, interpreter, assembler comes under language processor. And third, utility software. Now we are going to study operating system, then we'll go for language processor, then utility software. Okay, so let's see operating system. It is a collection of program is needed to operate computer. As we know, without operating system we cannot use computer. Okay, this is primary thing. It control the overall activities. Now overall activities can be device management, memory management, software management, processor management, file management, and security. Okay, so these are the function can be overall activity of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and hardware. That means this operating system allow the user to interact with computer hardware and use for a specific purpose and enable them to work together. Understood? So this is operating system. Example, Windows 10. This is one of the example of operating system. Understood? Now language processor. First you need to understand what is the use of language processor in computer. Okay, so each software is created by writing program in computer languages like C, C++, Java, etc. But these are high level language. These are high level language which computer doesn't understand. So here a language processor play a vital role in translating the programming language into machine language so that computer understand the code and give the result. Understood? This is the work of language processor to translate the programming language into machine language. Understood? The language processor can be any of the following three types. Now compiler. It is a translator that converts user program written in high level language into machine code in one go. Now one go, that means it will check all the line in one time only and translate the code into machine language which computer can understand. Okay, so here we have one figure: user program, compiler, and machine code. So let's see the example and try to understand this figure. So here we have a program to find sum of 10 and 20. As you can see on the screen, this is the program. So compiler convert the whole line. Compiler convert the whole line of a program into machine code in one time. Understood? Now interpreter. Interpreter perform the task same as compiler. Only difference is that compiler converts code of the whole program at a time, whereas interpreter converts program code line by line. Okay, so let's see the example and try to understand the work of interpreter. So as you can see on the screen, here we have the same program to find the sum of 10 and 20. Okay, so interpreter convert the program line by line. So it will start from the first line. Okay, then second, third, fourth, fifth, and finally last line. Okay, this is how interpreter convert the program code line by line. Understood? Now assembler. An assembler is a translator that converts a program written in assembly level language into machine code that computer can understand. Okay, so as we have seen, the compiler and interpreter converts the high level language into machine level language. Same way assembler also convert, but it converts low level language into machine level language. Understood? Now let's see some other system software. So here we have loader, a system software that is used to transfer a program from secondary storage device to primary memory of a computer. Suppose some program are saved in secondary storage device and we want to use that particular program. In that case, loader help us to transfer a file from secondary storage device to primary storage device for further use. Okay, understood? Now text editor, a system software used to provide a platform where a program can be written. We can say it's a kind of application where we can write any program. As you can see, this is the notepad application where we can write the program. Understood? Understood? So today we have seen details about system software. So children, what is compiler? Compiler converts whole program code into machine code in one time. Okay. Now what is interpreter? Interpreter convert the program code line by line into machine code. Understood? So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.